You want to change your username on Twitter or X, but you don't know how to. Don't worry at all, because you are in the right place. Today in this video, I'm not only gonna show you how to change your username, but also your name on Twitter or on the X app. So follow carefully with me and let's start. First, before everything, we need to get something out of the way. You need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have Twitter or the X app updated to the latest version for this method to work properly. As you know, things are changing all around. So after that, you can finally go ahead and open Twitter. And make sure you are logged in, of course. Now you need to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to get this menu right here. You get a lot of options. What we need to do is to open your profile. So what you'll need to do now is to tap on profile, as I said, to open your profile, and we can carry on and changing your name. After opening your profile right there, you need to tap on this button right here, the edit profile button. That's where you can change your name on Twitter. So I'm going to start by changing the name, and then I'm going to show you how can you change the username. So just like that, you can edit your name and change it to whatever you want, no problem. Just tap on save in the top right corner to save your new name. And once you quit from here, you can find it in your profile displayed just like that. Now this is for the name. For the username, it is just easy as that. You can just quit Twitter and open it again if you want. So again, to change the username, open Twitter, tap on the profile picture in the top left corner, then tap on settings and support to expand the list, and tap on settings and privacy from there. Now from settings and privacy, go ahead and tap on your account, tap on your account information at the top right there, then tap on username to carry on in changing your username. So once you tap it, it will take you to the screen. You can edit your username and make sure it is available in Twitter. That means it's not taken. And that is it for this video, guys. Please leave your concerns and comment down below and tell me if this video has worked for you. If it has, please don't forget to like and also comment about that. And don't forget to also subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.